Hi, Nick Stillberger from B Media Production. Today I'm going to take you through our Business Essentials app. This is the screen you'll see when you first open the app, and if you're a subscriber, the first thing you need to do is click the settings button on the bottom right hand corner, and from this screen you can log in. If you don't know your details to log in, you can contact us, or once you press login, down the bottom there's a forgot password link, but I've already entered in my details, so I'll click submit. And now you can see it says log out and the expiry date of your subscription. There's also 3 boxes on this screen that I'll take you through. There's an auto download new audio. If you click that, which I will, each month when new audio is released, it'll automatically download to your device. There's also a use mobile data button. I'll tick that. That means if you're not connected to Wi-Fi but you'd still like to stream Business Essentials, you can do so. And the last one there is delete audio after playing. If you're conscious about saving space on your phone, if you click this button, once you finish listening to an interview, it'll automatically be deleted from your phone. Down below, you can also rate us and tell a friend. And of course, we'd love you to share the Business Essentials word. Now, to start playing some audio, click Editions down the very bottom middle of the screen. And that will take you to a list of all the editions of Business Essentials. You can scroll down to previous months. I'll just stop here on August 2018 and I'll press the play button. And you can now see each interview on the August 2018 edition of Business Essentials. I'll click play on the very first one here at the top.
Business Essentials is brought to you with the support of Chartered Accountants and Business Advisors, Cummings Flavel McCormack.
And I've just pressed pause down the bottom. There's a little strip down the bottom. If you click that now playing on that strip, up pops a full screen player which allows you to fast forward or scroll through the interview, and you can also share it from the bottom right hand corner. I'll click now playing at the top to close that, and to get rid of that blue strip player there's a little X on the right hand side, so I'll close that. You can scroll through the interviews, and where it says more you can click that more button and read more about the interview. And next to each interview you'll see a little down arrow. If you press that arrow, I'll do that now, it'll download the interview to your device. And again, that means if you've downloaded that while you're on Wi-Fi and you're going to go out somewhere where you don't have data or on an aeroplane, you can press the play button and that will now play from your device. Up the very top of the screen, in the top right-hand corner, there's a download all button. If you click that, you'll see each of the interviews downloading one after another. And now the entire month has been downloaded to my device. And in the middle of the screen at the top, there's a play all button. And I'll press that now.
Business Essentials is brought to you with the support of Chartered Accountants
and
and
I can click
Business
through
Advisors.
each interview down the bottom here.
What are the chances of a recession? You've met someone at a function who asks you what Kate Save is on a mission.
It's just a safer way to play the whole edition if you're in the car, for example, and don't want to keep having to touch your phone. If you'd like to delete an interview yourself, you can just simply press the little rubbish bin, and that's now deleted that interview from my phone. Or you can go to Settings, and there's a Remove All Downloaded Audio button there in the middle of the screen. If I press that, up comes the message asking if you'd like to remove all audio, and you can click Remove, and that's now removed all the audio from my device. From this settings screen, you can also log out, and if you're not a subscriber, there's a Become a Subscriber button on this screen. I think that's all you need to know to get started using the Business Essentials app. Of course, if you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you, and we hope you enjoy listening to Business Essentials.